Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Alright you guys, so in today's video we'll be doing something that I have not tried on myself before, and it's a smoky eye, which using all black. I actually never done yeah, of course I've done smoky eyes, but like not like using just black. I have done past smoky eyes, but it comes with like orange and then just add a little bit of black to it and other stuff, but this is gonna be all black, using all black eyeshadow and whatever. So I'm pretty excited. I've never done it because I don't know, it's just black is me wearing black makeup is, I don't know, I just don't see myself with it, but I really want to try how it looks on me. So if you want to know how I look with a smoky eye and whatever, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. I primed my eyes. So let's see. Alright, so the palette we'll be going in with is with the 35G bronze palette. This is the Morphe bronze collection palette. So that's the palette we're going to be going in with. But first, to start with the smoky eye, we're actually going to use like a transition color and a different color, just so like it would look, you know, kind of natural at the same time, but you know, a little smoky, you know what I mean? I hope you know what I mean. The first color we'll be going in with is with this color right here. I'm just gonna grab a flat brush and blend this on out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one eye on camera. As you already know, that's just me. That's how I do it. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it. Alright. So next color we're gonna go in with is with this one right here. I have a Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen, and this is like a black eyeliner, which you would put this on your waterline. But we're just gonna go ahead and use it to do this smoky eye. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab another brush. I actually want to get one that I'm not going to use as much. So we're just going to go ahead and blend this out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this brush and blend this out. Alright, so, and now I try to blend this out as much as I can. Just gonna stay there. Alright, so next color we're gonna go in is with this dark color right here. I love. At least like a half black eye. So we're just gonna keep packing on some black to have that right texture of shadow and make sure it's blended really well. Alright, I think that's good enough. Just let me add a little black to the bottom. Alright, so that's good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some more mascara so the lashes could have a little more pop to it. Alright, you guys, so I popped on the lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Whoa, okay, I am back, you guys. I finished the other eye. I don't know if you can see, but there was this one shade in the palette that was like a little glittery. It's black. It's right beside that black one. I went ahead and applied it on the eyelid. I don't know if you can see a little bit of the glitter, but yes, I did apply that. Felt like it was really pretty, so I was like, okay, we're just gonna leave that. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the base. So for primer, we're gonna go into the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Alright, so for foundation, we're going to go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer. Oh, I poked my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a beauty blender. And then just dab that on. Add just a little more, just to have full coverage. Alright, so next for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus Concealer, and I am in the shade CN10. Pale. Alright, so I'm gonna get some airspun to set that. Oh, pale. Alright, so for bronzer, we're gonna go in with the Morphe bronzer. Alright, so I'm going to contour the nose. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dust that off. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going to go ahead and add some CoverGirl Blush. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel lip liner. Need some elf. I'm gonna get some elf lipstick. Alright you guys, so for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. That was cold. Woo! Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Overall, I don't think I look too bad on a smoky eye look. I'm actually really happy I did this eye look. I don't know you guys, what do you think? If you think this is pretty on me, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I did. Okay, so yeah, so if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.